previous years of question and answer solution of stream Computer Science and Engineering, Semester 5. Subject: Object-Oriented Programming, Year 2023 to 24. 1. Give an example of illegal identifier. Answer: int 2 num. Identifiers cannot start with a digit. 2. What is bytecode in context of Java? Answer: bytecode is an intermediate, platform-independent code generated by the Java compiler and executed by the JVM. 3. Applet can be used for generating static or dynamic web page. Answer: dynamic web page. 4. Arrays in Java are objects or classes. Answer: objects. 5. Java compiler is written in which language? Answer: Java. 6. What cannot be used for variable name in Java? Answer: Java keywords, reserved words, cannot be used as variable names. 7. What is a package in Java? Answer: a package is a collection of related classes and interfaces used for namespace management. 8. Why Java is called robust programming language? Answer: because it has strong memory management, exception handling, and type checking. 9. JVM is platform independent or not? Answer: yes, JVM is platform independent. 10. The relation between classes can be represented by what? Answer: inheritance. 11. Exception created by try block is caught in which block? Answer: catch block. 12. When finalize method is called blank. Answer: before an object is destroyed by the garbage collector.
Year 2024 to 2025. 1. What is an abstract data type, a DT? Answer: an ADT is a data type defined by its operations and behavior, not by its implementation. 2. What is the purpose of the this keyword in object-oriented programming? Answer: this refers to the current object and is used to distinguish instance variables from local variables. 3. What is the purpose of design patterns in software engineering? Answer: design patterns provide reusable, proven solutions to common software design problems. 4. What is the difference between abstract classes and interfaces in object-oriented programming? Answer: an abstract class can have method implementations, whereas an interface provides only method declarations. 5. What is the purpose of the Swing library in Java? Answer: Swing is used to create platform-independent graphical user interfaces, GUI, in Java. 6. What is the significance of the text example in understanding ADTs? Answer: it shows how data can be manipulated using defined operations without exposing internal representation. 7. How does encapsulation help in achieving data abstraction? Answer: encapsulation hides internal data and exposes only essential operations, enabling abstraction. 8. Explain the concept of encapsulation in OOP. Answer: encapsulation is the binding of data and methods into a single unit with controlled access. 9. Give an example of commands implemented as objects. Answer: in the command pattern, each command, e.g. open save, is implemented as an object. 10. What is the purpose of the waterfall model? Answer: the waterfall model provides a sequential, phase-based approach to software development. 11. How does the abstraction function ensure ADT correctness? Answer: It maps implementation details to the abstract specification to verify correctness. 12. Explain dynamic method dispatch. Answer. Dynamic method dispatch resolves method calls at runtime based on the object type.